and we're going to talk about the Graco Pack and Play. This guy can actually come apart and be put back together. So let's see what that looks like. So this thick mattress, covered by a sheet right now, but it can be removed, and then this piece actually lifts up and it collapses in on itself, which is so nice for moving it from one room to the other, or if you're going on travels, taking this with you. Fantastic. Also, for the newborns, this guy goes on the top, and now you've also got a changing table. Now, the little newborn that we had was so long. He was not giant, he was just very long. So he filled up this space really well. But for the average newborn, they're gonna fit inside here for a nice long time. And I mean, it really just clips in. Look at that. All I did was just stuff it in there and boom, locked in place. So nice. Once it collapses in on itself, you can move it, but this will not go through like a normal door space if it's all put together. You gotta collapse it in, fold it up, slide it on. And hey, wait a minute. Did I mention it has wheels? Heck yes. Wheels only on one side, by the way. This side are little feet. And there are a third set of feet in the middle to make it nice and secure, a little more support.